Welcome back. In an earlier lesson, we heard some words that begin with the r sound. Okay? In this lesson, we're going to learn the akkar or letter which makes that sound. But before we begin, make sure you're sitting in a quiet place and please sit up straight. If you're younger or you need help with a computer, ask your mom and dad or an adult to help you. Okay? And before we start looking at the R sound, let's just go back and do a quick review of the previous lesson where we took a hook, we added a line to it, and we made our first letter, ha-ha, which made a h sound. Do you remember that? Well, I'm going to now take that ha-ha-h, I'm going to add another line to it, okay, and I'm going to close off the top, and lo and behold, there we have Raaraa, and it makes the sound r. Okay, that's Raaraa, and it makes the sound r. Here we go. I want you to now repeat after me. Okay, I'm going to go nice and slow. Raaraa, r. Raaraa, r. Raaraa, r. Raaraa, r. Okay, so how do we write Raaraa? That's a mouthful. Write Raaraa. Okay, Punjabi, we start left to right, top to bottom. Here we go. First you put your pen down and go across and make a straight line. We then go down. Bring our pen down. We loop around, and this time we go all the way and we close that loop. Do you see that? Isn't that neat? So if you did your practice and you practiced your haha, Raaraa is going to be very easy for you. So there is Raaraa. In fact, speaking of practice, why don't you and I go to the whiteboard or blackboard and let us now practice some Raaraa. Here's what I'd like you to do is get your pen and pencil, pencil, or paper, and let's write Raaraa. Okay, here goes. Raaraa. I want you to say it just like we did before. So we say Raaraa, 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 Raaraa. We go around, Raaraa, go around, but coming back, Raaraa, and we're not going to stop. Keep going, Raaraa, Raaraa. See that? Right there, Raaraa. Let me pick another color because I know everybody likes different colors. I'm going to do a blue this time. Ready? Here we go. Raaraa, 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 Raaraa. Okay, I want you to notice that we don't start the downward stroke of Raaraa in the middle. We just go a little bit back over, see, right about here. See how we just went back a little bit? And then we brought our stroke down and we made a nice rounded shape. Are you ready? Let's pick another color and let us do Raaraa one more time. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Raaraa. Repeat after me. Keep saying it as you're writing it. Raaraa, 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 Raaraa. Curving back around. Raaraa, Raaraa. Oops. Yeah, I didn't like that. So let me do this again. Okay. Raaraa. And you know, we all make mistakes when we're learning, so it's not a big deal. Raaraa, 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 Raaraa. Yes. Let me do a big one. So if you want to, you can trace this one with your finger while I'm drawing it. Are you ready? Here we go. I will pick, let's do a green this time. Here we go. Are you ready? So trace with me if you don't have a pen or a pencil or paper. Are you ready? Here we go. And big, big, big line. Raaraa. Big, 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 big line. Raaraa. Raaraa. I'm going to come down from here. Are you ready? Be ready for this. It's going to be huge. Raaraa. Raaraa. Whoa. Raaraa. Coming back up. Raaraa. Raaraa. Going back. Raaraa. Raaraa. And of course, what do? We close it off at the top, and I have Raaraa. Okay? So, here's what I'd like you to do. I want you, after the end of this video and this lesson, to sit down and write Raaraa 10 times. Okay? And each time that you are writing it, I want you to say it just like I did in this lesson. Okay, so you're going to write Raaraa, and as you're writing it, you're going to say it Raaraa, Raaraa, and once you're done, you're going to say Raaraa, Raaraa, and you keep doing that, and you believe me, you will learn your Akar very, very quickly. That's the end of this lesson. I'd like to thank you for your time, and you have a great day, and I will see you on the next lesson.